So we are going to start the aria.mortgage app. The version of this app is 1.0.37. You can always update the app. This app it is brought to you by 𝘁cie Inc. in coordination with 𝘁cie𝗱𝗆. When you open the app, it will show you the main screen, which is the dashboard. The dashboard basically explains how the things are organized. On the left upper corner, you got the menu. You can open it and you can close it. It will show you who is running this app. So this is me, 𝘁cie 𝗱𝗆, and this is my number for this phone. And there's a small menu here. We can do certain things. This is the home screen. If I click on the home, this is the home screen. This is our main screen. And on the main screen, we can click on the create new, and it will allow us to create new scenarios. I'm going to cancel it. Currently, there are already some scenarios created. If you see, all these scenarios are created for different people that talk to me, and I actually, using this app, I was creating these scenarios. And it has both purchase scenario. These are purchase scenarios. And then this is the refinance scenario. And this is again refinance and then going back to purchase. So what we can do is we can create on this one and we can create the scenario. But hold on. Let's review what we need to do before going into the scenario. Yes, we can create scenarios, but before that, we need to update our status. If I'm as a user using the app, I need to input my FICO score, input my gross income, input all my liabilities, and input the funds and assets that I have. Okay, so it's very simple. On the FICO, I can click on it and I can add my FICO. If you see that I can change my credit score number, I can say, hey, what happens if my credit score is 840? Okay, my verified FICO score is verified by the lender. If they pull my credit or if they view my credit, they will mark it. Okay, so now if I have any issue with my credit, I can always contact or find a credit repair expert here. Right now, if I click on it, it will show you someone who we work with, but this information can change. Okay, so you don't need that. Only if you wish to improve your credit, you can find a credit repair improvement expert here. Now, having said that, I just click on it and I say my credit score is, let's see, 780. Okay, and this lender says my credit score is 739, but I think my credit score is 780. Okay, so I input my credit score. So I can change different scenarios. I can change the credit score based on whatever I think my credit score is or my future credit score is. Okay, usually when you download the app, this verified information is empty or blank. Okay, it doesn't show up. So right now it is showing up because I'm using this app for a while, and the lender can come into my app, not exactly. So the lender can update the information and that information is updated on my side. So if lender have seen my credit, they will tell me what's my verified FICO. So there's a benefit of doing this verified. If I have all the information verified by a lender, I can generate my pre-approval letter on my own. So that's the difference. If I'm playing with the app, I can see or I can do whatever a lender is going to see and do for me. But if I need a pre-approval letter, then I need someone else to verify this information, and the same app is going to generate a pre-approval letter. If I do not provide the verified information, then it's going to be a pre-qualification letter, which means I qualify based on the information that I have given, but a lender has not viewed or verified my information. So same thing goes here. There are 4 boxes that I need to do. As you know, I can do everything a loan officer or a loan originator is going to do. I can input my credit score. I can input my income. I can input my liabilities. What is the monthly payment that I have to pay every month? And I can also put my funds there. Now, this app also allows you to do a credit report pull. You can yourself pull the credit report, but to pull the credit report, the lender, whoever is bringing that app to you, you need to talk to that guy. So if I click on it, it will just tell me that, I have not started the process. I can go to this website, and just to let you know, this website, which is mysoftcredit.com, allows you to pull your own soft credit score and credit report. But only if you go through this link. If you go directly, it will, it will not allow you to do that because we need to use a special link to log in. So that special link to log in is right here.